Ayan, it sets right away. I love it. First use pa lang, I'm impressed. Soft Veil Filter Foundation. I'm in the shade Light 02. Nasa medium coverage, lightweight, at matte finish. Yung first products that I've purchased from Strokes and nagustuhan ko siya kaya ako bumili. Napag-aralan ko kasing mabuti bago ko i-purchase. Nanood pa ako ng maraming video. Hello everyone! Beautiful day! So, nakabihis na ako, naka-makeup na ako, and these products na ginamit ko sa aking face, mostly from Strokes. I mean, binili ko. Hindi pinadala sa akin. I hope na makatanggap ng PR from Strokes. I've tried 2 of their highlighters. Then, nagustuhan ko talaga siya. But, for its price, parang hindi ko masyadong achieve during that time. So, binibili ko lang siya during sale. Nagkataon na may sobra ako. Last September, medyo nakaluwag-luwag ako. Binili ko siya during sale. So, I have 4 products from Strokes. 5 products from Strokes. I have a brow fixer. I have the micro braiding pen perfector. This new Soft Veil Filter Foundation. And also face sculpt. Another one pa pala, their concealer. The Soft Veil Concealer. So, I've purchased it and tried it because I've heard good reviews about it. And hoping that magustuhan ko siya. And in the next few clips, I'll be sharing to you my first impression with these products. It sets right away. Medyo nahirapan ako dito kasi tubigas na siya. I love this side and this side kasi para siyang literal na suklay. Ayan, it sets right away. I love it. Pwedeng ipahiga. Pwedeng ipatayo natin yung ating brows. Ay, nagsisisi ako. Bakit ngayon ko pa ito binili? Sometimes kasi nagtitipid ako, inuubos ko pa talaga yung existing kong products bago ako bumili ng panibago. I love this. Perfect. Parang may bead siya inside. If you shake it, narinig niyo ba? So this one is the Microblade Pen Perfector in the shade Bronzite. Fill lang natin. Love it. Ito yung mga products na matagal ko nang gustong bilhin. Pero, hindi ko pino-purchase right away kasi medyo wala siya sa budget ko. Hindi siya priority. But now, nabili ko na talaga. Perfect talaga. I love it. Hindi ka magsisisi sa purchase na to, guys. First impression pa lang to, ha. Hindi ko pa siya nagamit ng matagal, pero first use pa lang, I'm impressed. Perfect talaga. Happy kasi hindi sayang yung pera. Maganda yung product. Applied my sunscreen as my base. I'm gonna be trying out this one, the Strokes Soft Veil Filter Foundation. I'm in the shade Light 02. This contains 35 ml and merong nakalagay sa likod ng bottle na I am soulful. Yeah, my soul is full. I hope so. Medyo iba ang tone ng aking voice kasi naka-retainers ako ngayon. So, I will be putting it on the back of my hand. Kakamayin ko lang muna, guys. Tatansyahin natin. Oh, I have the concealer pala. Hindi ko pa na-open, guys. Well, today, eto lang muna. Ayan. I forgot. Concealer pala. Pea-size amount pa lang, guys, ha. Spread ko muna siya sa aking face. As you've seen sa aking swatch, ang ganda ng effect niya on my skin. Okay. Parang powder lang siya on my skin. Ayan. Ito yung natural skin color ko. Ito naman yung na-blend na natin ating face. Ganda. Nasa medium coverage, lightweight, at matte finish. Hindi nagsisettle sa aking mga lines. Okay. Walang kahirap-hirap. Oh, nice. Nice. Tama lang pala yung shade sa akin, guys. Concealer. Actually, pwedeng hindi na mag-concealer kasi nasa medium coverage siya. Pero observe natin ng ilang minutes kasi mag-a-absorb pa yan sa skin ko. Baka maging sheer coverage siya. Open natin yung concealer tsaka yung contour. I love that every time that I swatch it, meron siyang powder finish, yung matte, tapos parang powder lang siya. So, try natin under my eye, yung concealer. Yellow undertone pala yung 02. Light 02 din ang aking biniling. Contains 3 ml. Kamayan natin. I like it. Tama lang yung shade na binili ko. I feel kasi na yellow undertone pag concealer yung bagay sa akin. Kasi before, I tried the Careline concealer, Acne Spot concealer. Tapos medyo yellow undertone yung shade na Oriental ata. Tamang-tama siya sa aking under eye. Ayan. Ito yung sinasabi ko pala guys. O yan. Nagiging sheer coverage na lang yung foundation pag nakaset na talaga siya sa skin. But it's okay. Pwede pa naman tayong magpatong ng powder. Now let's apply the face sculpt in the shade Tortilla. Hindi ko alam kung tamang shade ba ito. Oh, parang wala lang siya kasi masyadong maliwanag. But, I like this more. Kasi, hindi masyadong brown. Kasi sometimes, I feel na pag masyadong brown naman, pag masyadong dark naman, I'm not really good sa mga terms, no? But I feel na pag masyadong dark or warm yung aking contour is feeling ko marumitugnan sa mukha. Kaya pinili ko si shade Tortilla. This is what I love about Strokes. Kasi parang yung finish niya ba, hindi, what's the term? Tacky. Hindi siya tacky on the skin. Para lang siyang powder. Cream product, pero powder finish. See? See? Hindi ko balingit tanawang. Hindi maruming tignan. The other contour stick that I have right here is from Vice Cosmetics. Nilalagay ko rin siya sa mata. I like this. Very subtle. Hindi marumi tignan. Kumbaga, hindi siya halata. Ayan. Next, we will be using this too. Also from Strokes. I have Face Flash Pearly Scent and Face Flash Gold Rush. Pearlescent pink ang ating i-apply sa cheeks. Pearl na may pagka pink. Tapos very subtle lang yung highlight niya. Meron siyang fine shimmers. I like it. Sa kabila. Then this Gold Rush I will be applying in my Hindi na ako magla-lash mascara kasi yun nga, magpapa-lash extension ako. Nice. Lagay ako ng konting Focallure kasi nakukulangan ako sa glow lang. Pero dapat guys, una tong blush. Saka tayo ng Pearlescent Pink highlighter. Mas okay kung ganyan. Kakamayin ko lang. Minimal effort, but big difference. Yung first products that I've purchased from Strokes and nagustuhan ko siya kaya ako bumili. Actually, these products nabili ko last September pa. But mas nagamit ko yung Brow Fixer and Microblade Pen Perfector kaysa sa foundation. Pointy nose. Ayan. So far, pinakagusto ko sa mga products na ginamit ko from Strokes is the Brow Fixer and etong Microblade Pen Perfector. This two combo talaga siya and napag-aralan ko kasing mabuti bago ko i-purchase. Nanood pa ako ng maraming video at hindi ako nagsisi. Pati shade na binili ko ay tama sa akin. Brow Fixer, guys, you should buy it. Lalo na kapag you're someone na may buhok naman yung eyebrows pero maiksi lang, hindi lang ganun kadami. Okay siya kasi napapatayo niya ng matagal ang mga brows nyo, guys. At dahil napapatayo niyo siya ng matagal at na-fix talaga yung brows, konting product na lang ang i-fill in nyo to make your brows fuller. And that helps and that lessens the product that you will use on a daily basis. Lalo na kapag lumalabas ka on a daily basis at nagkikilay ka talaga on a daily basis. Kagaya ko, parang kulang talaga pag walang kilay. Di bale nang hindi makapag-makeup, sunscreen lang, tapos nagkilay ka, parang okay ka na. You're good to go. Tapos konting lip tint na, pwede na. But today, nag-effort ako. Ginamit ko yung Soft Veil Foundation and Concealer. And yes, ito yung dating niya sa face ko. I love it. Very magaan sa mukha. Nakakahinga yung mukha mo. Ayan, guys. I'm off to go out. If you want to see more of my contents, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at It's Jay Chan. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And see you on the next video.